Hello, my name is Eva Vasquez, and I'm going to list the routes by which electrolytes enter and leave the body. What are electrolytes? Some examples of electrolytes are sodium, calcium, potassium, chlorine, phosphate, and magnesium. And these are all found in the foods we eat and the drinks that we consume. Electrolytes, they regulate nerve and muscle function, hydrate the body, balance blood acidity and pressure, and help rebuild damaged tissue. Some ways in which electrolytes enter the body are through the foods we ingest, beverages, and metabolism. How does the body lose electrolytes? The electrolytes come out through feces, and the greatest output is a result of kidney functioning and urine output. And these are my sources.